everyone, and welcome back. So you know me, I love to experiment, and I posted a video yesterday where we're experimenting on blueberries and pineapples. So today I'm gonna do an experiment on how well the plants will grow if I did use this method. So I've got some eggshells in here, and I've got some remnants of fruits and veg that we've used over the past weeks, and I've put them in the compost bin at the top. Some of them started to melt down, as you can see. It looks yucky, but I'm thinking this is going to be very beneficial to the soil. So I am going to go ahead and plant some cucumbers in here. So my neighbor, she's so lovely, she came back today and she wanted me to have a pot. So she's given me this pot and I've given her the other one, so we shared, which is so cool. So I'm gonna plant these out in here, okay? And I'll be using the compost, which is bio-based. All right, if anybody knows about this compost, just comment in the box below, okay? So I'm gonna fill this up with bio-based. All right, so here we go. So I'm just gonna shake it across because I'm filming outside, so I'm gonna have to hold the camera and try to balance. So I'm just filling this accordingly, and then I'm just gonna pat it down. And as you can see, there's one tomato here, and that was from where my sister sent me some plants in transit, and this was in the bottom, me not knowing that there's a tomato seed or plant in here. So that's the story of that. Sorry, I'm going slow because I'm concentrating on this down here. Okay, I'm just gonna pat some of this in to see where I'm at, and then let me just do this off camera. You know what I'm doing now, and then I'll come back. Just give me a second. Right, so I think I've got enough in now, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna separate the cucumbers and then pot them in. So I'm just gonna see if I can put any holes in. We'll see how we're gonna work it, and I'll be back. All right, so I've got them on the ground here, and I'm just trying to break them off nicely without really, you know, upsetting the root. Lot of cucumbers, guys. This is a lot. I'm gonna have to give away some to my neighbors then. Yeah, I have a neighbor and we love this right now. Bus pipe. Yep. Come for some cucumber, yeah. Some down here for you. Alright, so we're gonna just get as much as we can off. We can always loosen up the, shake it a little bit, you know, give it a little bit of roughness but not too much, and then just shake them off. That's it, see, them come off nicely. There you go. See, and come off nicely. Right, so we just line them up and see what's going on. Look at so now we have this week. It's nice. So I'm gonna try to see if we can carry these into a different location and them grow without being so close to each other in a different pot. You get me? And then they can flourish better. Right. So I think I have most of them out now. Alright, let's look. So that's all the cucumber them there. Just take a peep at what going on in here. So Lord, them pretty. I can't help it but look at that. I love them things in my life. I get my hands dirty, you get me? Dirty. to get them dirty. Alright, back to the cucumber then. Right, so we're gonna see how them can work in here. So just give me a minute, yeah? Right, so I plant two already because it's kind of hard for me to hold the camera and show them what I do. So I plant two already. You want me to just push one hole in there? Just one hole in there. And then we just pop it in. And this would actually, you know, grow a big ball of root. So don't worry too much about that. And then we're gonna water after. So I'll just do all of this and then I'll come back and I'll show you my water can when we make. So here we have it, everybody. I've done planted it out and I have my little makeshift water bottle where I use a, you know, corn on the cob holder, and I just hot it with a lighter or the hob and I pierce it to make holes so I can do this. And it won't be so hard on what we just plant, like little seeds. So just make sure I water it. Get a nice little drench, because you want them roots to soak up through and the soil and all the food and everything combined. Yep. And then the roots just go around the fruits and veg and get all the nourishment, nutrients and everything they need. Just bring these back up with them slantish. Just straighten them back up. And that's it. And then I'm gonna put these in the greenhouse now, okay? Follow me. And we're home. Look how comfortable they look. Look, what I'm gonna do with so much cucumber. Can I give you a joke? I don't even like the thing. It made me vomit, it made me so sickly. But I think because I was eating meat as well, so because I'm not eating meat anymore, probably if I try it I won't get sick. But I was getting ill when I was eating it with, you know, all sorts of different something. So I'm gonna try it like, oh, I'm on the, you know, journey of no meat eating. I'm not gonna label myself. I'm not a vegan and I'm not a vegetarian and I'm not a pescatarian or whatever you call it. I just don't eat meat. I don't drink milk either, but I have the occasional cheese and eggs when I feel like. I don't live on them. And I also eat fish once a week or once a month, depending on how I'm feeling. But the cucumber, boy, we're gonna try you when you come, yeah? You're gonna grow and look nice and fat and healthy. And guys, follow me on this journey, because I'm telling you, they're gonna be juicy. Hey everybody looking nice. Uh-oh, we have a little accident in here. This one needs a plant out as well. So yeah, we're looking good in here. We're looking good, peeps. Signing off. Talk to you real soon. Share you what I did today. So I'm cleaning up the back, so I'm up here now. So I'll go across like so. So I'm on this side. So in here is the last bit of, you know, things I'm gonna get. But I am gonna plant the corn in here. So the corn's gonna be like on here going around and to the back there as well, because I want some giant corn so the kids can run through and play hide and seek. I used to do it when I was little, so I'm aspiring to do the same here. So watch me transform my garden. Let's see from here how it looks. So I've got this side to do, and this side is gonna be little man's play area, which I've got a plum tree here and a blackcurrant, I think. So, and I've got a few strawberries here where I'm gonna revive, because this was our strawberry field years ago, but everything's changed. Our strawberry field is down where the greenhouse is. So watch me evolve into something different. I wouldn't say a caterpillar or a butterfly, but I think I am being a fairy, garden fairy. So I'm doing my little thing and I'm enjoying it. I'm full enjoying it and I'm loving it. This brought my back today though. My God, it's a pathway. I think they had something here. Something was built here. But anyways, this is my journey and I can't wait to share more with you. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon.